Hello everybody, welcome to this next video. Here we will be talking about we will be discussing a question which was there in the NET UGC exam. This question is based on the concept of vector spaces and subspaces. So actually, because there are so many questions and we are planning to cover quite a lot, so we have kept this particular ID, right? So for every question which we are making on UGC NET or GATE, you will have this ID, and this ID is for if you have any doubts, you can just send us the question ID and we will track that question. So this ID is for that, nothing else. Okay, so look at the question. So the statement is, if V be a vector space of all functions from R to R, right, and W is a set defined like this, all those functions which are such that f of 4 is equal to 3 plus f of 2, then you have to see which one of the four options is correct. W is a subspace of V, W is not a subspace of V, W is not closed under scalar multiplication, W is closed under scalar multiplication. So you can have more than one option also. So let us do it. So we have W is equal to all those functions such that f of 4 is equal to 3 plus f of 2. Fine. Now we want to check whether it is a subspace or not. So we know that for that we need to check whether it is closed with respect to scalar multiplication and with respect to addition. So let us see whether it is closed with respect to scalar multiplication. Now here it is wise that you first check whether it is closed with respect to scalar multiplication, because there is one such option, right? So if you check addition first and suppose the addition is not there, then you will get the solution that it is not a vector space, but then you have to check the scalar multiplication separately, right? So let us do this. So what I'm doing, I'm taking f, let f belongs to W. So it means that f of 4 is equal to 3 plus f of 2. Now I want to check, I need to check if alpha f belongs to W or not for any alpha in your field. Here we are talking about real field, right? So you see alpha, if you multiply this equation with alpha, so you'll get alpha f of 4 is equal to 3 alpha plus alpha f of 2, right? So we don't get, therefore alpha f of 4 is not equal to 3 plus alpha f of 2 unless alpha is 1, right? So it means that this is not true, this relation is not true for all alpha. Therefore W is not closed with respect to scalar multiplication, not closed with respect to scalar multiplication, right? Therefore it is not a subspace. W is not a subspace. So you go back to your problem, you see, look at the options. So W is a subspace, answer is no. W is not a subspace, yes. W is not closed with respect to scalar multiplication, yes. W is closed with respect to scalar multiplication, no, right? So you see, this is very simple question. The only thing is you should know the concept of what is a vector subspace, right? So simple questions are asked in most of the competitive exams, right? Thank you for watching this video, and please stay connected with us for more questions on UGC NET which we are covering right now, and after that we are planning for GATE also. Stay connected and please subscribe to this channel and share this video.